For your research projects, instructors will expect you to find credible sources from the web, but this can be challenging. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to recognize different types of web pages in a Google search, so you can choose sources that are credible and appropriate. So let's take a look at this search list. This is a lot of web pages. Many of them are probably good, but some may not be. How can we tell the difference? Well, first we need to recognize the types of pages we're looking at here, and then we can use our critical thinking skills to test their credibility and appropriateness. Let me show you how. Look at the URLs or web addresses for these pages. Some are from .com sites. .com stands for commercial. These sites are at least partly funded by ad revenue. So you'll see paid ads for products and services, kind of like commercials on TV. Some .com sites are more interested in selling you stuff than in giving you balanced information, so bias is sometimes a concern. But many .com sites are good information sources. For example, here are some pages from respected news publications like the Washington Post and the New York Times. News articles like this are good at summarizing complicated information for non-experts. For instance, this news article summarizes a research study from the scholarly journal Preventing Chronic Disease. Other sources may be from .edu pages, which are mostly from college and university websites. Blog postings are sometimes just opinion pieces from non-experts, but this blog is associated with the School of Public Health at Harvard, so we can be pretty confident that it's credible. University web pages often contain great information. Just be aware that sometimes universities publish student projects onto their servers too, like this one. Your instructor may not consider another college student's project to be an acceptable source, so with .edu pages, just be sure you find out who the authors are. .gov sites can be great resources too. This page is from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Federal government agencies do all kinds of great research and make it freely available online. Keep in mind, though, that government agencies often have specific policy agendas, so bias is an issue with controversial topics. But for factual information in health, science, criminal justice, and many other areas, .gov sites are often an appropriate choice. .org sites are usually run by not-for-profit organizations that exist to fulfill a specific mission rather than just to make money for individuals or shareholders. These groups often put great information on their websites. Just remember that, like government agencies, nonprofits often have research agendas, so be aware of potential bias. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't use .gov, .org, .com, or other kinds of sites. But when researching controversial issues, you should seek out additional, contrasting sources to give you a balanced perspective. So here are a few questions you can ask as you search for web pages. First, what kind of information do I need? Statistics or other factual data? Government agencies post lots of data online. Research on a special population or interest group like adults with autism or Latina immigrants? Perhaps a nonprofit organization will share research on its website. Next, what person or group is behind this website? A government agency, a nonprofit group, a university? What is the group's mission, purpose, or reputation? You might have to dig around a little on the web to find out. And finally, based on your answers, do you think that this page is a credible and appropriate source for your project? If you need a second opinion about your web source, just ask a librarian. We're here to help you.